So our customer today has opted to go with the Class 4 hail-resistant shingle. It's going to offer them a few benefits. The first being, in the future, if any hailstorms that come through, it's going to be a lot more resistant to those impacts from deformities and potential leaks. So it does have a rubberized component in the shingle itself that is going to offer that hail resistance. More or less the hail will bounce off of it without deforming the granules. Additionally, it will offer them an insurance discount. Different insurance companies offer different discounts, but up to about 25% off of your deductible. Another option the customer could have gone with would be a metal roof. Obviously, there are a few different types of those as well, but the Class 4 shingle is going to offer the protection from the hail, as well as not showing those impacts that a lot of times the metal roofs can. Additionally, this is a slight upgrade as far as cost from traditional composite shingle, but it's not the 2.5 times that you would be paying for a metal roof. If you'd like to take a look at the option of upgrading your roof to a Class 4 hail resistant shingle, or just want an inspection to make sure you don't have any existing damage, feel free to reach out to Red Ladder.